Hello everyone, my name is Nikita. I'm from EC branch. My subject is physics and my topic is applications of optical fiber. What is optical fiber? An optical fiber is a thin transparent fiber usually made of glass or plastic for transmitting light. The construction of a single optical fiber is shown in the figure. The basic functional structure of an optical fiber consists of an outer protective cladding and an inner core through which light pulses travels. Main elements of optical fiber are core, cladding, buffer jacket, silicon coating, outer jacket. Core. It is a central tube of very thin size made of optically transparent dielectric medium and carries the light transmitter to receiver, and the core diameter may vary from about 5 mm to 100 mm. Cladding. It is the outer optical material surrounding the core, having reflecting index lower than core, and cladding helps to keep the light within the core throughout the phenomena of internal reflection. Buffer jacket. Buffer jacket over a optical fiber is made of plastic and protects the fiber from moisture and absorption. It is a plastic coating that protects the fiber made of silicone rubber. The typical diameter of the fiber after the coating is 250 to 300 mm. The buffer may take the form of a miniature conduct contained within a cable are called a loose buffer or loose buffer tube. A loose buffer may contain more than one fiber and sometimes contain a lubricating gel. A tight buffer consists of a polymer coating in the intimate contact with the primary coating applied to the fiber during manufacturization. Silicone coating. It is provided between buffer jacket and cladding in order to improve the quality of transmission of light. Outer jacket. Finally, the fiber cable covered by a black polyurethane outer jacket. Because of this arrangement, fiber cable will not be damaged during the hard pulling. Bending, stretching, or rolling through the fiber is made up of a brittle glass. Principle of optical fiber. The optical fiber are based on the principle of total internal reflection. The light launched inside the core through its one end propagates to the other end due to total internal reflection at the core and cladding interface. This is the principle of optical fiber. Applications of optical fiber. Here we here we will explain several applications where fiber optical cable are used. Below explain each one. Computer networking, medical and surgery and dentistry, decoration and lighting system, mechanical inspection, TV cable, automotive industry, military and airspace, internet, telephone, remote sensing. Used in computer networking to connect to multiple computers in a single building. In the computer networking, nearby structures become way much faster along with the use of fiber optics cables. These cable helps to transfer huge file and any information quickly access networks. Used in medical surgery and dentistry. Fiber optic cable are mostly used in the area of medicines as well as used in biomedical research and microscopy. Optical communication play vital role in the endoscopy like as non-instructive surgicals. In these technique, a small bright light is used to get light up surgery area internal the human body, and it allows to decrease incisions number and size. Fiber optic cable is also used as imaging tools imaging tools, light guide, and also as laser from getting help to surgeries. Used in decoration and lighting system. Optical fiber cable is the best option for using in lighting decorations and illuminating Christmas trees. It offers a very easier, attractive and affordable solution for listening projects for celebrating some festivals, birthday parties. So in the area of decoration lighting, use of fiber optics is getting more popularity over the years. Used in medical inspection. Fiber op- fiber optical fiber optic cable can be also used into inspections of hard to reach areas like as on site inspections, pipes and other engineer works. Fiber optic cable allows to detect any crack, damage, leakage fastest and easily in the pumping system. Used in TV cable. Over many years, optical fiber cable are mostly used in cable television due to their speed and price. Fiber optical cable are the best solution for using in high definition televisions because it provides fastest speed with highest bandwidth. Fiber optic cable are cost effective options than copper wire. Used in automotive industry. Fiber optic cable offers lightening and safety advantages of present day vehicle and it is mostly used in lightening in both areas of vehicles in interior and exterior because fiber optics cable is able to transmit signals in between all different parts of vehicles at fastest rate and fiber optic cable is very valuable in safety applications like as transition control and airbags. It has ability to conserve space and offer superior lighting. Used in military and airspaces. Defense is very significant sensor where fiber optics cables are used extensively. Fiber optic cables have ability to transmit of data along with highly secure data in airspaces and military applications. At the present days, fiber optic cable get to make study and robust communication medium that helps to create wings in aeroplanes, hydrophones for seismic and sonar purpose. So optical fiber cable are optimal solutions for data transmission in these sectors. Used in internet. Optical fiber cable are optical fiber cable are capable to transmit data at very highly speed rate. So optical fiber communication technology is mostly used for internet cabling. Fiber optics cable are very less bulky, more flexible and able to carry huge data compressed to traditional copper wires. Used in telephones to make call with domestic or internally has never been so easy, but with the help of the optical fiber communication technology you can capable to make and receive call with clear conversation without getting any lag on either sides. Used in remote sensing. Optical fiber cable are widely used as sensor for measuring temperature, pressure and strain. After modifying their fiber count, it provides you to modulate the phase, intensity, wavelength and polarization of light in the fiber. Fiber optics cables are very helpful for using in sensing because it doesn't need any electricity in a remote area. These cables are mostly used in such areas where high voltage or flammable materials are implanted. Conclusion. The application of the optical fiber fields are still emerging and developing so rapidly that if it impossible to keep track each and every innovation and invention. All the above compilations gives ideas about the tremendous potential associated with the field. The future is not so distant when scientists and researchers will come up with more and more futuristic products and applications using optical fiber. Thank you.